A 24-year-old unlicensed driver was today convicted for causing the death of former chief librarian after an accident last Christmas Eve. Odida Underwood of Lot 197 Guyok Park, Georgetown, was found guilty as charged for the offense before Magistrate Fobayo Azor and sentenced to serve 5 years imprisonment. 3 days after the fatal accident, Underwood made his initial appearance before Chief Magistrate Priya Sunarayan Bihari to answer several charges. The charges as read by the magistrate were causing death by dangerous driving, driving without a license, driving a vehicle without the consent of the owner, and without third-party risk. He pleaded not guilty to the charge, which stated that on December 24, 2013, he drove motorcar PPP 8655 in a manner dangerous to the public, thereby causing the death of Jillian Thompson. Underwood, however, pleaded guilty to the other 3 charges before the Chief Magistrate on his first appearance and was fined a total of $85,000. The second charge detailed that on the same day, he drove a vehicle without being the holder of a driver's license. The other allegation stated that he also drove the vehicle when it was not issued for a third-party risk. And the fourth charge stated that the defendant took the vehicle and drove it without the consent of the owner. The prosecution facts stated that on the day in question, Underwood was proceeding north along Shiv Chandapal Drive. However, when he approached the intersection at North Road, he failed to stop and collided with the left front of a motor van. The librarian was seated in the front seat of the motor van, which then collided with a concrete culvert. As a result, she reportedly received injuries and was pronounced dead on arrival at the Georgetown Public Hospital Corporation. He was represented by attorney-at-law Adrian Thompson, and the matter was transferred to Magistrate Azor for trial. A 17-year-old was today charged for exhibiting threatening behavior. Rupert Heyman of Friendship, East Bank, Demerara, was brought before Magistrate Anne McLennan at the Georgetown Magistrates Court to answer to the charge, which stated that he, on November 12, being on the West Rhineville Front Road, used behavior that was threatening towards Philip Waldron. The facts presented to the court by Police Prosecutor Denero Jones stated that the virtual complainant and the defendant are known to each other but never shared a friendship. On the day in question, Heyman reportedly entered a shop with an associate who allegedly called Waldron an informer and subsequently dealt him a cuff to the mouth. Heyman also reportedly chased Waldron with a cutlass. The magistrate fined him $15,000 with a default of 3 weeks imprisonment. Heyman was also bonded to keep the peace for a duration of 12 months. Heyman's associate, who was identified, was also charged, but was not present at the proceedings. For HGP in the court, Kingsley Bryan.